My name is Jacob Willenberg with Berkshire Hathaway Home Services in Panama City Beach, Florida. And today I'm going to break down the Q1 of 2025 numbers in Palmetto Trace. One key metric that I like to follow is months of inventory. This is how long it takes to completely sell out of inventory if no new home came on the market. 5 to 6 months is traditionally a neutral market. Anything above, we're entering seller's market territory, and anything below, we're entering buyer's market territory. Now let's go ahead and dive into some of these numbers. Let's first take a look at the months of inventory for the detached single-family market in Panama City Beach. We started the year at 12.74 months and then ended March at 7.27 months. This is normal when we look at historical data. Even though we are still in a buyer's market, we're getting back closer to a neutral market. Now let's take a look at the detached single-family homes between 450,000 and 650,000 built before 2015. When we started Q1 at 8.3 months, in March, we came down again to right under 5 months, which was a neutral market. Looking at the detached single-family homes in Palmetto Trace, in the first quarter, we started the year at 11 months and then ended the quarter at 6 months of inventory. This is below the entire detached single-family market in PCB and would be considered a neutral market. Now, because we also have attached single-family homes in Palmetto Trace, I also wanted to break down that market as well, since these are two different markets. Let's first take a look at the attached single-family market in Panama City Beach. In Q1, the attached single-family in Panama City Beach didn't have much movement compared to the detached single-family. We started January at 10.56 months and ended March at 9.88 months. With little movement, we remain in a strong buyer's market. Now, looking at attached single-family homes between 250,000 and 500,000, not including new construction, in Q1 we started at 17.14 months, and then in March we spiked to 32 months. This is alarming and a number we haven't seen in quite some time. I had to actually go all the way back to when Hurricane Michael hit our area to find a similar months of inventory. If you're looking to sell in the next couple of months, pricing will remain to be important. Even though we've seen the months of inventory come down some over the first quarter, we are still higher than where we were at this time last year. Sellers are still having to compete with new builds that are offering great incentives, such as lower interest rates. If you have any questions about the current market or about your property in particular, feel free to reach out.